you're a student, you're probably doing your lessons or your lectures online, or maybe you're working from home. Either way, chances are you're spending long hours sitting. And movement is really important. It's important for our physical bodies and it's important for our mood. So this video is really some suggestions of what you can do to help you manage the long periods of time online. So let's start with taking our attention to your feet, really feeling the ground under your feet, maybe bending your knees so the weight of your body goes down through the ground. And we'll just get in tune with our bodies. So we can do this by patting. So just patting our bodies, coming up our arms, maybe down the outside, back up the inside of your arm, back down the outside, coming on your shoulders, your chest, down the sides of your bodies, down the outside of one leg, and on the inside. Not too hard, the outside of the other leg and up the inside of that leg. Coming up onto your forehead, your face, just tuning into your body again. Very good. Then doing some gentle swings with your arms. Just keeping your arms really relaxed, swinging them and twisting at the level of the tummy button. Very good. And coming to rest. And now running on the spot, little steps at first, and then faster and faster and faster and faster. Very good. Tuning into your breath, having done that little run. Feeling the movements of the breath going in and out of your body. And bringing your arms out in front of you, and with the next in-breath, really allowing your hands and your arms to move backwards, so you've got a slight back bend. And on the out-breath, bringing it forward, bringing them forward. And again, on the in-breath, arms go back, and on the out-breath, coming forward, and arms down. Very good. Bringing your hands in front of you. On the in-breath, the top hand goes up and the bottom hand goes down, and at the same time you go up onto your tiptoes, really stretching towards the ceiling, and this arm is going down towards the floor, and back. And once more. So in-breath, going up onto your tiptoes, and on the out-breath, coming down. Swapping your hands over and doing the same thing. On the in-breath, going up towards the ceiling, and this arm is going down towards the floor, and back. Last time. And coming back. Arms by your sides. Separating your legs a little bit. Raising your right hand into the air. And as you breathe out, moving on the diagonal towards the opposite foot, but maybe towards the opposite knee or the opposite thigh, it doesn't matter. And then on the in-breath, coming back up. Once more on the out-breath, moving on the diagonal. So you're getting a twist that way. Hands down. Raising the other arm. Again on the diagonal. And once more, last time. Bringing your feet a little bit closer together again. And on the in-breath, raising your arms up so that they're reaching towards the sky, and you're on your tiptoes again. And on the out-breath, coming back down. And once more. Really reaching up towards the sky, tiptoes, your legs are engaged and tense. You're stretching on even your fingertips, maybe even looking towards the ceiling, and back down. Very good. And finally, doing what I call a wet dog shake, so really shaking everything out. And now you're ready for your next session. So these are just suggestions of things that you can do. A really good question to ask yourself is, what do I need right now? So if you're feeling agitated, maybe you need to do some calming, long stretches. Or if you're feeling sluggish and motivated, maybe you need to do something more energetic. As best you can, allow your body and your mood to choose. Thanks for joining me.